Hi there, how's it going, folks? This time we are here to showcase our tool named Dock Test. It's a tool designed to make life easier for all technicians, from the most basic to the most advanced levels, and it's very easy to use. With this tool, we can provide a diagnosis without even opening the device. Let's get to know this product and how it functions. Here we have an iPhone that is in good working condition, meaning that it's fully functional. In order for us to conduct the test, we simply need to insert the dock test. We insert the dock test and we are going to press this button, which is the test button. So when the two lights turn on, for example, the blue and green lights illuminate, it means that the device is working and there are no issues with the charging sector. Now on this other occasion, we have what is another iPhone. In this case, it is already an iPhone 12 Pro Max as well, which is malfunctioning due to its charging sector, which has been sent to us because it has a charging issue. When we press the button, check that none of the LEDs light up, meaning that indicates a fault, but this fault could be on the board or it could just be a connector, a damaged flex that got wet or something happened there. To check if the connector is good, we are going to use our multimeter, set it to diode scale, and place the two test leads. We will place the positive lead here where it says positive and the negative lead where it says negative. So here we have both ends already placed on the dock test and we are going to press the following buttons. The first one, check that there is a value of around 680, the second, the third. Now number 4 doesn't need the test because that's for the sector we're not testing. Then 5, 6 and 7. That means my connector is indeed connected to the charging circuit and there are no faults. But when there is a fault in that sector, when the button is pressed and the multimeter doesn't react, that means there is a fault. So it's very easy to test this tool. With just a touch, we can tell if it's working or not. This tool is one we can use from our workbench to a receptionist when they receive the equipment to give the price to the client, to provide better security when quoting a price to the end customer. It's a tool that every technician should have on their workbench.